All right, we're back again. Round 2 of the same challenge, multiples of 3 or 5 challenge. We're finding the multiples of 3 or 5 within a provided number. So the example we have here is 10, and the multiples of 3 or 5 within 10 are 3, 5, 6, and 9, with 3 times 1 being 3, 5 times 1 being 5, 3 times 3 being 9, and 3 times 2 being 6. And the multiples of these numbers is 23. So it's a pretty simple and straightforward challenge. We're given 2 additional requirements to meet. So additionally, if the number is negative, return 0. Note, if a number is a multiple of 3, of both 3 and 5, only count it once. Cool. So in my previous video, I gave the long solution of solving this challenge. I basically had a bunch of nested if statements. A simple way to solve this would be simply returning, using the sum method in Python, returning num for num in range number, right? If num mod 3 equals 0, or num mod 5 equals 0. Let me just print this out. And this was pretty much what I did in my last solution, except for I did this using a bunch of nested if statements, which was not ideal. Ideally, this is the right approach. It solves the problem. It's one line, it's simple, it's easy to understand. We're just getting the sum of num, and we're looping through the range of the number provided here. And using num, we're checking if num mod 3 equals 0, or if num mod 5 equals 0. What this means is that these are multiples of 3. Num is a multiple of 3 or 5. And if that's the case, then return the sum of all the numbers that are equal to mod 3 equaling 0, or num. Anyways, I'm confusing myself here, but essentially this is a simple and straightforward way to solving this challenge. So I'm just going to attempt this, and everything should be all green. And looks like that's the case, and it looks like I am done here.